Hello synthetic family. So today I came in my lab to see the interaction of co-inoculated species that I have already put the video a week ago. I said that I will show you the outcome after 2 weeks, but today I came after 1 week because I noticed that one species was growing faster than the other. So let's go and check it out, how they are performing. So I have already installed the camera here on the stand because I need to take snaps for the plates, because I need to show it or have to record for the publication purposes. So actually these are first I can show you, there are 3 different species, 1, 2 and 3, and each of them has been replicated 5 times each treatment. So on the left side you can see that this species is Heterobasidian anosum, and this one is species which we have collected from a forest close to the capital of Finland. Similarly on the left side Heterobasidian anosum, and this is unknown species. This is the same, left side Heterobasidian anosum and right side is unknown species. But it's interesting to see, like if you can notice, like here, so you can see that there is a gap between the threads that you can see on the left side and the right very bright white species which is growing in circular form. So there is a space like this gap I'm talking about. So you can see that there is something going on, but we have to wait a little bit more to confirm, because if Heterobasidian continues to overgrow on it, then it means that they are not antagonistic. So we have to discard this treatment from our observations, because we are interested in only the other species if it can inhibit the growth of Heterobasidian. So this is another. So here we can see that the gap is still more. So probably this is a better candidate than this one. And if we move to the third candidate species, so here you can also see that there is a gap between these 2 species, and we can see that the gap here is in the form of for example, Heterobasidian is growing convergently, not convex form. So we can say that the species on the right is much better candidate as compared to this one and this one, because here you can see clearly that Heterobasidian is growing in the form of convex, like it is growing like this. And also here it's growing like this, like in a convex form. But for this treatment we can see that at least the part which is facing this one is not convex but still a bit inside. That is clear indication that this is a strong candidate. And also this one, still there is a gap, but I'm sure when Heterobasidian will grow closer, it will also make a convergent form. But let's see. Right now I'm going to take the snaps of these plates with the help of this camera, and then we will decide with my superior how to proceed with this kind of experiment. So until that time, I hope to see you again on my channel, and keep watching the videos. If you like them, please give a like. Thank you. Bye bye.